Hey guys, I'm sorry I didn't upload a video yesterday, but you know, life happens, things happen. But today I needed to run a few errands, so I'm just taking you guys along with me on these beautiful roads because the trees are just absolutely gorgeous. I swear, I've never seen anything like this in my life, so I hope you guys enjoy this little drive as we go and run a few errands. I hope you guys have had a great day. It's been like very rainy today here, so I'm just like enjoying it. I love it so much. The babe doesn't like the rain so much, so oh well, but I enjoy it. I love it, and I think it's so beautiful here. Yeah, so I think like today I'm going to bake some cookies. I'm definitely in the baking mood, so I need to go and pick up a couple things. I think I'm going to like do this recipe that's like gluten-free, sugar-free. We'll see how that turns out, but I'm definitely not substituting the butter, that's for sure. I'm keeping the butter in there. Yeah. So like in my town, there's like a bunch of roundabouts and things. Like it's ridiculously wild. So instead of like traffic lights, they have roundabouts. So it took a little while to get used to that and everything, but I think I've gotten the hang of it for the most part. I did kind of get pulled over by the cops last week. Oopsie. But fortunately, I did not get a ticket. You know, I just have to be very careful and like, you know, it's just new environment, you know, new driving rules and everything. So you just have to pay attention and be more careful. The speed limits are definitely a lot lower here in Hamilton County than they are in San Diego County and the rest of California, you know. So I think that's mainly because it's like these small back roads and things and a lot of walking areas. So there's a lot of people that love to be like active and everything here. So there's a lot of like rules for like pedestrians and things. So it's not too bad. Yeah, it's not too bad at all. But yeah, we're just gonna have to keep the speed limit low because they will pull you over, you know. And the cop was like, you have Illinois plates and a California driver's license. Can you please, and you're in Indiana, can you please explain this? So yeah, Brian's plates are in Illinois. So that's how that went, you know, and we're in Indiana right now, and I have a California driver's license still. I haven't changed that just yet, but I will. I'll get to it. Yeah, these roundabouts are crazy, and like some people like love to like ride your butt, you know. It's ridiculous. So you just don't know. Look how pretty these trees are. Oh my god, I love it here. It's just so gorgeous. Alright guys, well I'm going to continue driving on and I will check back in a little bit later. Maybe I'll show you my cookies. I hope you guys are having a great day.